I get lots of emails and letters from people who are very dissatisfied with the lawyer they hired to handle their case. What can you do if you find yourself in that situation? Well, you can always fire your lawyer. You have a right to fire your lawyer for any reason whatsoever. But if you fire him or her, you might still owe them some money, reasonable fees. Even if you hired them on a contingency basis, if another lawyer ends up winning the case for you, you may still owe them a percentage of the fee that you have to pay the lawyers because they earned it. They did some work. Now, that may not seem fair to you because you didn't like the lawyer, but the lawyer needs to be treated fairly as well. Now, there are some caveats. One is that if you want to fire your lawyer after your lawsuit has been filed in the courtroom, you're going to need the court's permission. Courts will generally allow you to fire a lawyer, especially if you have a new lawyer to replace the old one, but courts can sometimes deny that right if they think it will postpone the trial or delay the case. There's a case called Ruskin versus Rogers, which is a perfect example. In that case, the permission was denied when a client tried to fire his attorney just 2 days before the trial was supposed to begin. In addition to firing your lawyer, you could, theoretically at least, also sue for malpractice if you have a basis for believing that your attorney was negligent, breached the contract, or violated his or her fiduciary duties to you. But if you do sue your lawyer for malpractice, that lawyer will be free to disclose any confidences that are necessary to his defense. Probably the best thing is to sit down with your lawyer, have an honest discussion, and try to resolve whatever issues are bothering you. But if you can't, you always have the right to try to get a different lawyer. Whatever course of action you choose, always remember that your attorney is supposed to vigorously represent you. So act accordingly. I'm Alan Dershowitz for Newsmax TV.